Replacement for the Honeywell NorthFlex NF35 gloves. CoreShield Double. This video demonstrates how to find information about replacement for Honeywell NF35 oil grip gloves. Please visit the Honeywell SPS support portal at sps-support.honeywell.com. In the Ask a Question search section, type Replacement for NF35. The search results show you relevant knowledge articles. Select the article. Do you have a replacement for the NorthFlex gloves NF35? The article reads about Honeywell's replacement of legacy NF35 with new and improved CoreShield Double. Visit the Files tab for reviewing the CoreShield Double data sheet, product brochure and product selection guide. CoreShield Double-coated gloves offer efficient grip, improved comfort and dexterity in extremely greasy environments for a wide range of applications. CoreShield Double comes with many new features, such as cut protection A1 to A4, higher abrasion rating, Honeywell color coding system, increase in size range, and antimicrobial properties including a food-safe option. This table lists the multiple added attributes of CoreShield Double, providing an ultimate cut protection and grip in extremely oily environments. Click on Download to download the files for an offline review and sharing. Note that Honeywell SPS support portal could be your quickest way to address many of your product technical queries. Thanks for watching.